Students earn achievement and effort grades in 6th grade. Areas reported on our standards-based report card include reading literature and informational text, writing, language, listening and speaking, math, science, and social studies. Additional curriculums such as art, PE, and health, as well as student responsibilities for learning and behavior are reported as effort grades. For achievement scores, students are graded on a scale of 100 points. Be sure to check www.myiusd.org often to see how your child is progressing during the trimester and bring any discrepancies to the attention of the teacher as soon as they are noticed. In the area of math, we offer test corrections to those students who may receive below a 70%. This is part of an effort to support students as they make mistakes and encourage them to review concepts they may be unsure of. Students who make corrections after a math test can earn up to a 70%. Those who choose to take advantage of this policy must use the form given to them by their teacher and show all of their work. For effort scores, students are graded on the quality of their work. Points are given for neatness, completion, and effort. We do expect all students to always do their best work. In order to keep parents updated of your child's progress, your child's teacher will send tests home after they are graded for you to sign. Signed tests must be returned the next day for homework check.